मेरे मन मंदिर में ज्योति कौन हुआ धनवानो बंदे मत कर तू अभिमान मत कर तू अभिमानो बंदे झूठी तेरी शान रे मत कर तू अभिमान है मत कर तू अभिमान है मत कर तू अभिमान
A very good morning to all of you. This is indeed a very prestigious moment for Sister Nivedita University. Today happens to be National Youth Day, and we are so proud that we are hosting the Ministry of Education's IIC regional meet at Sister Nivedita University. What better way to start an event other than, the mellifluous sound of flute, of music, to give our program another dimension. We'll start the event with a flute rendition by Oyon Mukherjee. Thank you. Sister Nivedita University, named after Sister Nivedita, disciple of Swami Vivekananda. We do not only take the name, but we also take forward the legacy of Swamiji and Sister Nivedita. National Youth Day. Today, of course, is the National Youth Day, birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. The theme for this year's National Youth Day is Sankalp Se Siddhi. It is all in the mind. It is in the mind that is creativity inspires us to create, inspires us to innovate. Something that is, of course, very synonymous with institutions, Innovation Council, and its entire focus. Empowering the youth, something that Vivekananda told us repeatedly, is what the focus of IIC as well. We couldn't be more proud that Sister Nivedita University is hosting IIC's regional meet this year. Invocation to Swami Vivekananda on National Youth Day. We will be rendering an invocation to that spiritual leader and to all the great leaders of our great state. We will be requesting our scholars and students of performing arts departments to initiate the program with the Ved Mantra rendition. The music was given by Tagore, followed by another song composed by Tagore.
करणं च विद्यते न तत्समश्चावधिकश्च दृश्यते परास्य शक्तिर्विविधैव श्रूयते स्वाभाविकी हि ज्ञानवल क्रिया च या एतद्विदुरमृता প্রাণের প্রদীপ জ্বালিয়ে তুমি ধরায় আসো। তোমার ভাবনা কিছু নাই, কে যে তোমার সাথের সাথী ভাবি মনে তাই। তোমার ভাবনা কিছু নাই, কে যে তোমার সাথের সাথী ভাবি মনে তাই। তুমি মরণ ভুলে কোন অনন্ত প্রাণ সাগরে আনন্দে ভাসো। তুমি মরণ ভুলে কোন অনন্ত প্রাণ সাগরে আনন্দে ভাসো। কোন আলোতে প্রাণের প্রদীপ জ্বালিয়ে তুমি ধরায় আসো। কোন আলোতে প্রাণের প্রদীপ জ্বালিয়ে তুমি ধরায় আসো। সাধক ওগো প্রেমিক ওগো পাগল ওগো ধরায় আসো। সাধক ওগো প্রেমিক ওগো পাগল ওগো ধরায় আসো। কোন আলোতে প্রাণের প্রদীপ জ্বালিয়ে তুমি ধরায় আসো। কোন আলোতে প্রাণের প্রদীপ জ্বালিয়ে তুমি ধরায় আসো।
Sister Nivedita University, being unique of its own kind, is built on the path of Sister Nivedita, blessed under the shadow of Swami Vivekanand. SNU aspires to provide a transformative impact on the society through its inclusiveness and continuous innovation in education that comes from encouraging creativity, entrepreneurship, and research, thereby defying boundaries and redefining possibilities. At Sister Nivedita University, we are committed to uphold and foster the ideologies of Sister Nivedita and Swami Vivekanand in the truest sense of the term. In the year 2018, the Ministry of Education, through MOA's Innovation Cell, launched the Institution's Innovation Council program in collaboration with AICTE for higher educational institutions to systematically foster the culture of innovation and startup ecosystem in the education institutions. In the last 2 years, undoubtedly, IIC has emerged as a very sustainable and scalable model for promoting innovation within HEIs, and the efforts of these IIC institutes can be seen as impactful contribution towards making countries' innovation and startup ecosystem more vibrant and dynamic. The recent achievement of India's position in Global Innovation Index GII ranking is a reflection of the same. On behalf of Sister Nivedita University, we heartily welcome all the dignitaries, delegates, guests from the region across India to Sister Nivedita University, which is hosting 2024's IIC regional meet. May I now request the dignitaries to initially begin the program with a floral tribute to Swami Vivekananda. Swamiji, Sarvottanandaji Maharaj, who has come all the way from Belur, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Vivekananda University, Shri Shottam Rai Chaudhuri, Honorable Chancellor of Sister Nivedita University, Guest of Honor, Shri Manish Jain, Mr. Deepan Shahu, Dr. Tapan Mishra, Amit Kumar Singh, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sister Nivedita University, and the other dignitaries and guests from Sister Nivedita University and outside to come forward for the floral tribute to Swami Vivekananda. We have on the dais eminent dignitaries, Swami Sarvottanandaji Maharaj from Vivekananda University, Belur, Shri Shottam Rai Chaudhuri, Honorable Chancellor, Sister Nivedita University, Shri Manish Jain, Guest of Honor, Principal Secretary, Higher Education Department, Government of West Bengal. We have among us Mr. Deepan Shahu, Assistant Innovation Director, Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell. As our chief guest, we are honored to have amidst us Dr. Tapan Mishra, former Director SSC, PRL, ISRO, and founding Director Shishir Radar Private Limited. We have amidst us Honorable Vice Chancellor of Sister Nivedita University, Dr. Dhrubajyoti Chattopadhyay. We have amidst us Madam Ina Bose, the President of SNU Innovation Council. We have amidst us the Assistant Director of AICTE, Mr. Amit Kumar Singh. We welcome all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais to the IIC regional meet.
We have a terrific, guests and delegates sitting here. Can we have a round of applause, please, for all of them? To, of course, our chief guest, Shri Manish Jain. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. And, of course, Dr. Mishra also for being with us. For Deepan Shahu, he has been so grateful in, helping us take this forward. Thank you so much to all of you, to all the guests who've made this day possible. We will start today's address with Swami Sarvottananda. He is, of course, the Vice Chancellor of Vivekananda University, Vellore. As we all know, he is a man of science and a man of spirituality. Without further ado,